How to fix Hogwarts Legacy players losing save progress. 1. Workaround, 1.1. Move a saved subfolder at local disk. See users your username update a local Hogwarts Legacy saved save games to some other location. 1.2 Temporarily disable. Steam Cloud Saves. 1.3 Create a new character in your Hogwarts Legacy app. 1.4 Go to the folder where you saved the old saved folder. 1.5 Resort all the files, look for then rename the last file that starts with GBAS. 1.6 Place them. Newly renamed file into C:\users \username \appdata \local \Hogwarts Legacy \save. 2. Install any hotfix update in time.